In this video, I will draw the front view, top view and side view for the part shown in this figure. Okay, this is the part which is shown here. So read all the dimensions, okay, carefully. This is the front view direction and this is top view direction. The other view which is visible to the observer is a side. That side view we have to draw, and this side view will come left side to the front view in the answer. Take a line using this line command. Now I'm going to draw the front view of this object. This is the front view direction. Okay, so to this arrow mark, the perpendicular surfaces are visible. Okay, so this rectangle and this rectangle, then this inclined surface, this perpendicular surface to this x direction, and this inclined surface is visible. Also to this object, this side, this kind of inclined surface is there, that is also visible in the front view. So I am starting at this bottom point. I am drawing a straight line up to here with a total length is equal to 18 plus 20 plus 18, that is equal to 56 mm. I am drawing the line, straight horizontal line, which is indicating or which is showing the bottom line of this bottom slab. Okay, the total length is equal to 18 plus 20 plus 18, that is equal to 56. Okay, the total length is 56 mm. Press enter. Then upward, the thickness of the slab is given 8 mm, 8. Then left side with up to here. Okay, right. Now see, this is the bottom slab. It is not visible as a single rectangle. It is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts in this rectangle. So I'm using offset command here. The offset length, first I am taking from this vertical line to this vertical line with the length 12 mm. So 12 mm offset distance, enter. This line here, again same offset. Okay, then escape, again use offset. Now from this vertical line to this vertical line, the distance is given 18 mm. Okay, now offset O, enter, offset O, enter, and the offset distance is 18 mm. Press enter. This line here and this line here. Okay, now you can see here this rectangle is showing this rectangle and the middle rectangle is showing this one. This is this rectangle and this inclined rectangle is this one. Similarly, other side, this side small rectangle is here. Okay, yeah, fine. Now next, this vertical part is also visible. Now this vertical wall or vertical part is starting at 24 mm from the right hand side or from the left hand side. Okay, and height of the vertical part is 16 mm from this slab surface, top surface. Okay, now take a line from this point to with a length is equal to 24. Okay, press enter. Then vertically up with the length 16 mm. Again left side with the length or thickness. This thickness is 8 mm. This thickness. So this side 8. Enter. Downward up to here. Okay. So this is a new line. Can delete. This is the front view. Clear. Now to draw the top view, change the layer to thin. Draw the projectors from all these points. Okay, this point comes on same projector, so I am drawing a projector here. Escape or enter, again enter, sorry, one more projector from this point. Draw a vertical line, right? Space bar, again you can use a space bar to catch the immediately closed command. Space bar, then draw the projector from this point. Again, draw the projector from this point. Then here, from each and every point, you have to draw the projector. Right. Now escape. Yeah. To draw the top view, see the back side is a completely straight line. Then it comes forward. That is in the orthographic views. It is comes down. Then left side, incline, left side, incline, left side, and close the bottom. Okay. So change the layer to thick. Take a line. So here I am taking the complete backside line here to here. Fine. Now I am at this point. Okay, here. Draw this line with the length is equal to how much? 16, which is given here. 16. Right. Now this side, the length 16 mm. Okay. Now I am at this corner. So again left side with the length 12 mm. Length 12 mm. Or you can use this projector. Okay. Enter. Now stop here. Again take the line. Draw the diagram from this end. The length is 16 mm here. Enter. And right side up to this projector. Okay, click. Then escape. Draw this line. This line is 32 mm distance from the back side. Okay, or from this end it is 16 mm. Now what I am doing, take offset, select the offset distance as 32. So here I am taking 32, enter. This backmost line taking front side. Okay, escape. Then again use the line command. From this point to this intersection point, draw the line. Then we'll draw the line from this point to this intersection. Okay, now trim this line. See, the bottom slab top surface is like this. Okay, next you can see this part as well as this part. Okay, so this rectangle starting from the back exactly, then the rectangle width is 8 mm, length is 14. The bottom rectangle is total 24 from the back end. Okay, now take a line. The rib is here, right? So from here to here, total length is 24. Okay. Next, draw the width as 8 mm to this projector, then again up to this part. Okay, escape. Now the bottom length is 24 and top length is 14, right? So offset this line. Now draw a line here. Take offset. The offset distance is 14 mm. This is 14 mm. Now press 14 or enter 14. Press enter. Then select this line. Move here. Okay. Trim these extra projectors. Yeah. Now see, this is the top view, right? To draw the side view, draw a reference line, vertical reference line. In zero layer, select this. Yeah. Then draw the projectors. Use thin layer. Select line. Draw the projectors from each and every point. This point comes on same projector up to here. Again. Now see, this point, or this point and this point, all 4 points comes on same projector. Then again this point comes here. Draw the projector up to this new reference line. Again here this point and this point comes here on same projector. And one more, this point also will come here up to here. Okay, now Draw one horizontal reference line here. Escape. So this is using zero layer. Escape. Now draw the line, or you can use the arc. Start, center, end. Transfer all these points onto this horizontal projector. For that, so this is my starting point of the arc. This is a center point and the end point is here. So the arc is coming in counterclockwise. To get it in clockwise, press and hold the control button. So the arc comes like this up to here. Okay. Now copy this, hold at this point. Sorry. Use offset. Enter. Specify offset distance. So here offset distance I am taking through. Right. This is the object. Now this is a base point. This is the object and I'm placing here. Again this is the object I'm placing here. Next here. Yeah. Then draw the projectors in straight lines vertically upward. Yeah. Here also you can use the offset, or you can copy and place, or you can draw the lines. Okay. This is fine. Next, draw the lines from the front view. All the points you have to project in this top point. Okay. Now change the layer to thick. Select the line command. So the bottom point. So first I'm starting here to completely back side. Take the line from this point to this point. So vertically upside the line completely comes up to the top, then again up to 14, then 14 to this 24 line up to here, then straight left side vertically down. Okay, and from this point to this point. This is the side view. Trim these lines. One more vertical line is visible here, so that line take offset through, enter this point, this line from here to, sorry, this line from here to here. Okay, so this is the front view, top view and side views for the given picture. Now give the dimensions. So this line first 12 mm, then this is 20 mm, from this point to this point, this is 18 mm. Okay, this is 16, and from this point to this point to this point, this is 32, then this thickness is 8, this is 16, the height. Here to here it is 24, this vertical part thickness is 8 mm, this is 14 mm, This is 10 mm. Yeah, that's the video for this question. Front view, top view, and side view. All three views have been drawn here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.